Welcome to Amateur Decorating Like a Pro. I'm Catherine.
Lull Mattress Company has sent me this beautiful luxury mattress, and I'm here to share my honest opinion with you guys. And I'm so excited. This was our mattress, guys. You see that big lump down in the middle that seems to swell while we are sleeping at night and sinking into a pit? And to basically solve the problem, I was sleeping on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pillows. I love a clean house, so before I unpack the mattress, let's do a little housekeeping. I find it hard to believe that there is a comfortable king-size mattress inside of this tiny box. Now, according to the instructions, you're supposed to unbox the mattress while it's lying on its side. I'm working with the spring thumb, so I'm having to make some adjustments. Now, it was easy for me to open the box from the side. Just simply tear it open. I placed the box on its side and then just rolled the mattress out of the box. I'm amazed, and whatever your decorating style is, this mattress will work for you. The platform, the adjustable bed, the slatted, the box springs, or even if you love the floor. Next, I grabbed my scissors and I gently cut away the first layer of plastic, making sure not to cut the cover. I used my hand to pull away the remainder, and it was easy. Now, as soon as the mattress began to take in air, it quickly began to expand. So I was amazed by this action. I quickly began to position it in the position that I wanted it to be on our bed. Now, the mattress would do the majority of its expanding within 2 to 5 hours of opening it. And then thereafter, up to about 48 hours, that's it. It's not going to expand anymore. Oh yes, I unpacked the mattress and slept on it the same day. Now, our previous mattress measured about 16 inches high, and this one measures about 10.5 inches. That's comparable to what you see in some of your luxury hotels. See, look, my body isn't sinking. I'm a true side sleeper, and I am so comfortable, and my spine and hips have support. Well, like most of you guys, I order a lot online, but it never occurred to me to order a mattress. Now, the holidays are just around the corner, and I know, like most of us, you're going to have guests coming in. This is the perfect time to update that guest bedroom with a wonderful, luxurious mattress. And Lull has a risk-free trial. For 100 nights, you can sleep in luxury, and so can your guest. Dun, 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 dun. I have the Cinderella mattress. Look how well our fitted sheets fit over the corners of the mattress. No more using these silly straps, which you would have to replace because they stretch. And look at there, look at all that coverage over the corner of the mattress. So underneath all of my fall decorative pillows and 2 comforters is a wonderful, soft, silky, and dreamy mattress that I absolutely love. It feels like heaven, guys. It is so relaxing to lay on this mattress. Now, if you're interested in giving this wonderful mattress a try, then hop over to lull.com and you can shop using my discount code. This will save you $150 off your purchase, and feel free to take advantage of that 100-day free trial. And yeah, get back on one pillow. Look for the link to their website in the information box of this video. Well, that's it for me, guys. If you are not a subscriber, please consider doing so today. And press that bell to turn on your notifications so you don't miss my next video. Thanks a lot for watching. And as always, stay in prayer and stay creative.